checking out something new today. This is the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy.
Stop it up. Now rinse it off. You got it. Let's dry it off. You're looking good. Soap it up. Now rinse.
Trucks and vans, welcome to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. I'm Max, the official transport truck for number 95 himself, the Lightning McQueen. Come on, bring him on in.
Hello, rookie racers. Welcome to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. I'm Sally.
I'm Max.
And we're here live backstage at the Racing Academy.
Well, I started this racing academy so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy?
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, rookies. Help me with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure, oil level, and fuel.
Select Tokyo, Japan.
Opening Japan.
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for Leak Less. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail. That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening? Wait, I'm facing the wrong way. McQueen, wrong. Drive you backwards here.
You got this, buddy. Remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right. I just need to know where I've been. All right. How am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure. Wait, I'm slowing down.
Hack the system to change your stats.
Hey, that's cheating.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode.
Activating team mode.
Mr. McQueen, your tires! Guido! It's the...
Hey, Luigi! Guido! Thanks! Hey, McQueen! Looks like you really do need some leak glass.
Oh, honey, don't worry! I got you!
Hi friends, if we'd like to get a picture, we're gonna line up right.